I want to ask the president, you are my good friend. The fact that we have differed on how you want to implement the policies that we promised the Kenyan people does not mean you have become my enemy. I want to request you to remove your hand from state corporations. Once the state corporation board has been appointed, leave that state corporation board to function as established and exposed in the State Corporation Act, especially Section 5, Clause 3, which gives the boards of state corporations in Kenya to appoint CEOs of those state corporations. Therefore, the state capture of state corporation is not good for this country. If you ask 20 million from a CEO who is acting only maybe for 6 months, and we can decide to advertise and hire a substantive CEO within 3 months, and maybe the one you took 20 million from is not going to be successful. Because when we advertise, that position is open to all qualified Kenyans. It's not a preserve of those who are working in Lab Fund today. I therefore want to urge the office of the president, the office of the deputy president, and the Duale. William RUTO is a good friend of mine for many years. He keeps his promise. He offered me to be the PS. I refused. I gave Dr. Peter Nyangala. That was my position. He told me about CS. I refused. I'm too big to be a CS. I'm too big to be a PS. You know some things I don't want to say in public. The truth is I'm too senior than a cabinet secretary. You know, a trade unionist, a serious trade unionist like myself. You don't hear how Atwoli says. Atwoli says he does not want to be a president. That is true. He earns over 30, his income, Atwoli is 30 million per month. Why do you want to be a president? And you have not gotten that money from politics, so you want to go and protect it. Like Francis Atwoli has nothing to protect. What I have, I've not gotten from politics. I have nothing to protect. For me, I'm comfortable where I am. My status in the trade union movement is above a CS. So anything below a CS I cannot go for.